Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Yolich, and this is a really quick tutorial on how to add an image or a picture to your response to literature. So this is the finished product. So how did I get here? So what you're going to do is just follow these simple instructions, okay? So for this instruction, I am doing the work on a laptop. But you're going to ask, well, Ms. Yolich, what if I'm not using a laptop? So what do I do? What if I'm just using my phone? So look out for a different tutorial for that. I'm going to show you a different tutorial on how to add a picture if you're using your phone. But for today, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste and how to save the image and insert the image. So let me delete my image first. Okay, so if you've opened this document, because we're reading The Hate U Give, you're going to get onto this page and then make sure you put in your name. Make sure you put the book title, make sure you put what chapter you've been reading and how many pages you've read so far. So, answering the question of find a picture or symbol that represents a topic or a theme that stood out to you in the chapter, copy and paste that image below. So what I did for this chapter was I opened up a new tab. I searched for Pulled Over by Cops. So, you already saw that I was leaning towards this picture right here. But this time I want to change that picture. Maybe I will change the picture to, let me see, this picture right here. Okay. So the first thing you can do is you can right click and simply copy the image. Go back to your document and then right click and paste. Bam. So what if it doesn't work that way? How do you do it the other way? Okay, so this time you're going to do a save image. So go back to your image, right click, you're going to click on save image, and then a screen should pop up like this, so you're going to be able to save it. So just click on save. It's just going to go to your computer under downloads. You see how it's downloading right there? So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your document, and then you're going to click insert. And then you're going to click on image, and then you're going to click upload from computer. And you see these two guys popped up. These are your recent downloads, and then you're going to pick on the picture. Click on the picture, I mean. Ooh, why did it do that? I don't know. Okay, so let's say the error happens, right, and it does that. So you can just simply hit your delete button and delete it. Let's try that again. Insert, image, upload. This time I'll pick you. There you go. So if you click on the picture, it's going to have this grid right here. And you can make it smaller if you want to. Right. And that's it, you guys.